Hey guys, we are going to be working today on fraction unit rates. So these are a little bit more difficult, so you really want to pay attention to what's in the word problem. So let's look at number one. A container of 2 5/6 gallon of weed killer can spray 3 5/6 lawns. How many gallons would it take to spray 3 lawns? First, let's set up a ratio. So I'm going to put, in this case, gallons on top. So 2 5/6 gallons. All right. And on bottom, I'm going to put how many lawns? 3 5/6. I'm going to use L for lawns. Lawns. All right. Now remember, with fractions, it's all about division. So you're going to come into your tool of Desmos Scientific Calculator, and you're going to click on that. That's going to take you to this calculator right here. We're going to put the problem 2 5/6 divided by 3 5/6 into the calculator to see what we get. So here goes. Now with this calculator, I'm going to pull it back so you can see it. With this calculator, you want to do the fraction first. I'm going to try to get my screen a little bit farther for you. Oh, gee whiz. Okay, so we see this button right here? That's our fraction button. So I'm going to put 2 on top. I'm sorry, our fraction's 5. That is my bad, guys. Sorry about that. 5, 6. Now notice what we're going to do here. To be able to do our whole number, I press that back button right there. So notice 2 5/6 divided by, notice how it uses the fraction right there. We're going to do our fraction yet again. Our fraction for this is 5 over 6, and to come up with our whole number here, press that back button. That's going to be 3 5/6. Notice right here, it gives us a decimal. In order to change it into a fraction, just click that button right there. So 17 over 23. Now, we really want a unit rate, so we can keep it as this decimal right here. And I'm going to round it 0.74. Okay, so we're going to come over here. Watch what's going to happen. Okay, so 0.74 gallons per 1 lawn. But we want to know how many gallons it would take for 3 lawns. So look, this is 1 lawn. To figure out how many it would take for 3, let's just multiply this times 3. I know I'm a mess. So when I put 0.74 times 3, it's going to get us 0.74 times 3. Going to get us 2.2. So it's going to take us 2.2 gallons to make sure I got this right. 2.22 gallons per 3 lawns. I know. All right, let's do one more practice problem. So it takes 3 2/6 spoons of chocolate syrup to make 2 3/5 gallon of chocolate milk. How many spoons of syrup would it take to make 4 gallons of chocolate milk? First step, you want to set up your rate. In this case, it would take 3 2/6, put an S for spoons, per, in this case, 2 3/5 gallons. Now notice we're going to come to your Desmos calculator because it can do the fractions fairly easy for you. So right here we got 2 6 and our whole number is 3. So here's my fraction button. 2 6. I'm going to use this back button right here. 3. All right. We're going to divide. Notice it makes it into a fraction right there. Now we're going to say 2 3/5. So we're going to start with 3/5 and we're going to put our whole number. So 3 over 5, and I'm going to come back to make sure, okay, our whole number's 2. Notice I got to use this back button right here to give me that whole number 2. Notice it goes ahead and it divides it for us, 1.282. Let's make sure we're rounding to the 100th unless it tells us otherwise to do something else. So 1.28, make sure I got that right, okay, spoons per 1 gallon. However, the problem asks us for 4 gallons of milk. So just remember, in this case, we're going to multiply it. That's 1 gallon. We're going to multiply it times 4 for 4 gallons. So 1.28 times 4. Well, I'm going to fix that. 1.28 times 4. That gets us 5.12. So our answer is 5.12. Now, if you need to do this on a scratch sheet of paper and then take a shot of that scratch sheet of paper to turn in, that works too, because I know this can be kind of messy.